Hello everyone, I'm Nidhi Bhasin. I'm working with Rama Project as an interior designer. So today we are here to interact and discuss with Dr. Deepa Sharma regarding her experience of getting her interiors done in elite homes.
Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Sharma, associated with Health Sector. I'm grateful to Nidhi, who is interior designer by profession, and also Rama Projects for making our dream come true with such a beautiful home.
Dr. Deepa ji, please tell us how you found Rama Project.
हम रामा प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में हमें पता चला हमारे एक फैमिली फ्रेंड से. सो व्हेन वी फाइनलाइज्ड अवर होम, so that time myself and my husband, we both were not in the city and we were working away. So it was very difficult to finalize a interior designer or to finalize a home decor through any professional companies. So we tried many companies during our journey, and we asked for quotation also. But when we personally interacted with Rama Projects and Nidhi, so it was a wonderful experience, because in first meeting itself we realized, yes, this is the one which will give us our dream home. And I will let you know that during complete tenure of the project, myself and my husband, we both were not in the city. There was no one from our side to supervise the work. So we had given a totally trust, or I can say we had a faith on Rama Projects, even though it was our first experience with this company and also with Nidhi. But soon we became very familiar with this team, because when they were designing or they were actually making the concept, it was completely as they are making their own home.
डॉक्टर दीपा, आप प्लीज ये बताइए that how was your design experience and the construction at site?
As far the designing part is concerned, it was a very funny experience initially for us, because हम भी पहली बार ही इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर को हायर करके कोशिश कर रहे थे कि कैसे बनेगा, 3D कैसे बनेगा. मैं एक जगह एक सिटी में, माय हस्बैंड इन डिफरेंट प्लेस इन अनदर सिटी, and interior designer and their team is in third place in another city. So initially it was little bit hesitant for us also, but I'm really thankful to Nidhi, Rama Projects and also Siddhant specially, because जो हमारी जर्नी थी 3D के लिए, तो उसमें जो भी उनके पार्ट से उनके डिज़ाइंस थे, we also provided our inputs, and जो भी inputs हम provide कर रहे थे, they took it very positively. So that made our 3D journey very much easy. But still we had something in mind that क्या ये जो 3D बन रही है वही सचमुच एग्जीक्यूट होगी इतनी सुंदर. और जब कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टार्ट हुआ, सो एज आई मैंशनड अर्लियर ऑल्सो कि हम तो कोई थे ही नहीं यहाँ पे, तो थोड़ा बहुत तो मन में थोड़ा सा डर था कि एक तो फर्स्ट टाइम किसी को दिया है, क्या होगा, कैसे होगा. बट थैंकफुली, ग्रेटफुली, लाइक सिद्धांत एंड निधि, दे डिड वंडरफुल जॉब आई कैन से. क्योंकि जब एग्जीक्यूट होने के ऑलमोस्ट 1 month बिफोर व्हेन वी केम टू द साइट, इट वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड, ये सब कैसे हो गया. ये तो एक रॉ हाउस था जिसको इन्होंने पूरा कंप्लीटली एक ड्रीम होम में टर्न कर दिया. सो जस्ट इमेजिन, विदाउट एनी सुपरविजन फ्रॉम आवर साइड, वी नेवर वेंट टू एनी शॉप विद देम टू फाइनलाइज एनीथिंग. सिर्फ लास्ट में टाइल्स के डिज़ाइन के लिए दे मेड अस, इंसिस्टेड अस कि प्लीज़ एटलीस्ट कहीं तो आप अपनी चॉइस थोड़ा सा देखिए, मतलब हम बराबर कर रहे हैं क्या, आर वी लाइक आप अपना जो क्वालिटी ऑफ जो मटेरियल हम लगा रहे हैं एक बार उसको कंफर्म तो कीजिए. But we are like had so much faith because of their way of interaction, the way like initially they showed trust on us and we showed trust on them. That made the life very easy. And जो project है वो you can see आप लोगों के सामने है कि it's really a dream come home too.
Dr. Deepa, अब आप ये बताइए that which were the 3 of your most favorite places? वैसे तो पूरा घर ही बहुत खूबसूरत है, but which are the most 3 places जो आपको बहुत खूबसूरत लगती है?
So Nidhi, you have asked a very tricky but I can say a very excellent question. 3, I mean as such the complete home is a dream home for us. But definitely there are 3 places, like 3 places very difficult to choose, but I can say first is the mandir ka part, which you also know that it was like we had literally chewed your head कि सिद्धांत और निधि हम लोगों को मंदिर जैसा हमें चाहिए वैसा ही चाहिए. एंड आई थिंक मंदिर वॉज द लास्ट रूम विच गॉट completed, बट when it got completed it was like wow. I mean because मंदिर एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे आप जब जाते हो तो यू फील लाइक यू वांट टू सेट, यू वांट टू प्रे, यू वांट टू मेडिटेट, एंड एक अलग वाइब्स हमको चाहिए थे. एंड डेफिनेटली मंदिर से बढ़िया और कोई कमरा नहीं. आई कैन से इट्स अ प्लेस जहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. कोई भी आज अगर हमारे घर में आता है तो सबसे पहले जब वो मंदिर विजिट करता है तो इट वाज लाइक ऑसम. आई कैन से सेकेंड लाइक हर एक पेरेंट्स के लिए उनके किड्स वाला कमरा बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट मायने रखता है. और प्लस अगर आपकी कोई डॉटर हो तो वी वांटेड माय डॉटर्स प्लेस एज अ प्रिंसेस रूम थीम और डिज़ाइन आई कैन से. And I just told once Nidhi that you also have a daughter, so can we have that thing in mind and you can design the room. And only that indication was enough for Nidhi and Siddhant, and really it was a princess room and my daughter liked it very much. And definitely my master bedroom. My master bedroom is the place where we want to relax, we want to sit together and have a me time, and that everything is present in that room. So Nidhi, I think complete home is a very beautiful place for us, but these 3 parts are like very expressive, or I can say important or very beautiful.
Dr. Deepa, बताइए that how's your experience after the completion of the work? How you feel Rama Projects is providing you post-sale services?
So post completion experience, I can say it was really good because आपको ऐसे होता है कि घर तो बन गया लेकिन how it will be maintained. So whenever we had any issue, small issues I can say, not a major issue, जो कि हर घर में आते रहते हैं completion के बाद. So whenever I used to call Siddhant, it was like within 24 hours we used to get the service. And besides that, I appreciate a lot Siddhant and his team because we have a faith, I can say, or trust whenever his team comes home for any kind of maintenance or repair work. So it was very comfortable, we feel, with the laborers or workers who he is sending. So it is very important for all of us when we are selecting any company or any interior designers or for our for homemaking, to select such team that whom you can trust or whom you should have a faith. So I can say, Nidhi, it was a wonderful experience or a wonderful journey, and in future also, if we plan to again change some interior, maybe after few years, definitely we have only one name with us, and that is as a interior designer Nidhi Bhashin, and as a civil work, or I can say the home work, I can say Siddhant, Rama Project and their whole team.
Thank you, Deepa ji, for your appreciation and lovely words for Rama Projects and me.
So, Nidhi, as you well said, the word of appreciation is made only for people who are really like committable and who really deliver their things or they have commitment towards their clients. So I think, but here the client and customer or that business does not comes when it comes Nidhi as an interior designer and Rama Project Siddhant as a civil work, or I can say a home come something like dream come true. So it becomes a family. So we are family, and I specially recommend Rama Projects and especially Nidhi as an interior designer, also Siddhant as a team for civil work, because when they are in picture, it is not a business, it is a family and it is their own home which they are making.
So this was our customer's experience with Dr. Deepa Sharma. We are all committed to our clients, and we try our best to deliver the best of